Hey everybody, I am excited to show you how I am going to be storing my flowers and how I am reorganizing them and kind of doing a few different things to hopefully make it easier for me to find the ones that I'm looking for. Right now, they are a big mess. So, first, I want to talk about what I'm using to store them in. This is from Costco. I got it quite a few years ago. I am wanting to reuse and repurpose what I already have. I don't really want to spend a ton of money on new furniture for my room or, more expensive things to organize. Although I did purchase the ink storage system from Organize More, but that is it. Everything else is on the cheap or from things that I already have. I think it's really important to find ways to repurpose, like I said, what we already have instead of going out and, because honestly, in, a few years or even a year, I might want to change it up. And that system that I spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on might not work for me anymore. So I'm trying to work with what I got, and I encourage you to do the same. Sorry, I'm trying to talk too fast. So this is the second video in this series. I know that I had said I was going to upload every Monday, but well, I won't get into all of the details, but I have decided to homeschool my kids, which it has put a big strain on my crafting time. So I am just going to stretch out the videos that I already have so that I can free up more time to do other types of videos in the future, if that makes sense. So I have already recorded probably 8 videos of reorganizing my craft room. I just have to edit them, and so that will give me time to get in my craft room and create new projects and things for you guys, while still continuing to upload videos, because I was going to upload different types of things on Wednesday and Friday, but instead I am just going to upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, all of my craft room organization videos that I have. All right, so I do want to say again that if you are wanting to totally reorganize your room like I am doing, you need to start by destashing. That freed up so much space in my room. It was amazing how much space that I had. And honestly, with reorganizing things, even if I'm using the same system, just going through completely redoing it has freed up a lot of space as well. And it also made it better for me to find things easier. So I do recommend doing this, especially if you just need just a fresh start. I think that I'm at that stage where I really don't know what I'm wanting to create anymore. I just am kind of all over the place. So I'm just wanting to reorganize my craft room, a fresh start, and hopefully it will inspire me to create more videos for you guys and different types of videos and projects. All right, so I am going to go through all of my flowers like I am here. And what I'm doing is going through, and I have a lot of packages. I like to keep things in the original package. And oh, there's little Callie. She's always so curious. So that's why a lot of times I have like one flower in a package. But I'm going through all of my flowers and putting all of those that have one package or the package just doesn't stick down anymore in this bin full of random flowers. This bin has been working for me for quite some time. So before I open a new package, I will go to this bin and try and search for a flower that I need, or one that will work for a project. It really helps eliminate a lot of multiple of the same package of flowers opened at a time. If the package was good, I kept it. And now I am organizing them where these ones are all open packages where, they have some flowers in them. And you could see me kind of dumping some flowers in that bin there. So I'm just going to organize them, not really in any particular order. Uh, that doesn't really work for me. They just have to be kind of in a general area. But as time went on, my flowers got so unorganized, it was crazy. So it was definitely time to do something else and redo them because I had flowers everywhere. And I like to keep the ones that are unopened. So these are all my unopened flowers, which I have a ton of. And I am now realizing that I do not need to purchase any more flowers for quite some time, which probably won't happen, but I can say that I'm not going to. Anyway, so these are all unopened. And then that way I know, just unless I desperately need a flower for a specific flower for a specific project, I won't go to this bin very often. And that's why it's very jam packed. And I'm trying to just squeeze them all in there. I really was trying to get it to work. It ended up working in the end. I think I moved those boxes of flowers into, yeah, so I am now moving those into that other drawer, and then that way I could fit more flowers. So like I said, I'm not organizing them by color or anything. That doesn't really work for me because over time I will put them back unorganized, and then that part of organizing was a waste of time. So I know myself and I know how I work and how I create, and organizing things by color and things like that, just it doesn't work for me. I mean, it may look pretty, but it just doesn't work for me. I think for me, it's a waste of time. All right, so I'm just showing you guys the end result. As you could see, again, not organized in any specific order, just these are the ones that are open. And then I decided to dump that bin of flowers in this extra drawer that was empty. And that way I have more space to look through them, and it's easier to find what I need. And then that last drawer, or the third drawer, is all unopened packages of flowers. And the bottom drawer is all embellishments. I will get to that in a separate video. Before I had all of my dies just kind of shoved in there. I have a new system for that as well, and I will show that soon. But that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this inspires you to go through some of your crafty items and organize them. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love reading them, and thank you guys again, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!